Vietnam Fukunaga Engineering is a company from Japan. Our business subjects contain flexible container bags, metal recycling, and non-puncture tires. Firstly, let's see our flexible container bags, usually called as flexible bag. Such a solid and large size bag, actively used for transportation, storage and sorting stuffs. From raw products like foods, chemicals and the synthetic resins, mineral resources like grains, vegetables, sand and stone. Moreover, all kind of uses for metal and glass recycling resource. Available for various sizes, shapes. Also available for special functions like heat-proof, waterproof and breathable function. The ideal working form with our flexible bag brings remarkable efficiency for your factory. Our flexible bag makes massive shipping become possible. It will release the loading of shipping and also reduce labor cost. However, when the bags are not in use, it can be folded to create more spaces. With Vietnam Fukunaga, we help all your needs come true. First, about our reliable quality assuring system. We joined to a similar effect liability insurance for Japan, applied for all Asia areas. Every country is secured. Second, we create a small lot production idea in a very short delivery time. Our stock sale system is first seen and first used in Vietnam. It makes each order and delivery be within same day, under 10 pieces minimum condition. Besides, we provide original proposals for clients. In order to improve work efficiency, we provide proposals and customized design to our original goods and perfectly match your needs. Next, is to display our metal recycling services. We play as role of a bridge supporting business between metal products manufacturers in Vietnam and Vietnamese metal recycling companies. Our business for Vietnam, a country known for its outstanding growth of motorcycle and metal manufacturing industry. Vietnam Fukunaga provides you the best recycling flow for your metal recycling business. Besides, we form and tag with recycling companies in Vietnam deeply, assuring you achieve the best outcome among all the others in Vietnam. Quality issue is the current study for metal recycling companies in Vietnam. Therefore, we get into Vietnamese factory sites, performing them a technical guidance. How shall metal product manufacturers use those recycled raw materials on their production? We will improve with vendors and overcome any challenge until it reaches the expected quality. In addition, when recycling is processing, we will take over the project management, for making it a completely airy and transparency business. In this way, our recycling partners are extended throughout Vietnam. We contribute the best and safest metal recycling possibility for companies in Vietnam. The last part is about our non-puncture tires, which are used for the industrial vehicles. Non-puncture tire is made from rubber, so it won't be punctured even used in a working site, where metal materials and glasses are often seen falling down to the floor. Based on size condition of the vehicles and the work environment, we propose the best tire for our clients. Diverse size and color is available. Should you look for an expert in the field of flexible bags, metal recycling and non-puncture tires, Vietnam Fukunaga is here for you. Our mission is to be the bridge between Japan and Vietnam, making contributions on the development for the two countries and connecting to the whole world. Please reach us via below contact info.